Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do an unboxing and quick review of SJ Cam SJ4000 Wi-Fi action cam that I bought from Amazon India. I got it for around 6000 rupees. I have been using this as a helmet cam as well as a dash cam in my car. Although the quality can't be compared to that of a GoPro cam, it does the job pretty well. The video quality is good, but the sound quality is pretty average, and there is no support for external mic as well. So if you are into motorvlogging or that kind of serious stuff, you will be disappointed. Now regarding the usage, I get around 1.5 to 2 hours of continuous shoot time on a full charge, and using a 32 GB memory card, you can shoot up to 10 hours of video on 720p video quality. There is also a support for 180p 1080p quality as well, and there is a loop function present so that it will continuously record rewriting the old files once the storage runs out. Now there is a dashcam facility as well, on which I plan to do a separate video explaining the feature and how I fixed it in my car. Now continuing with the unboxing, we get the camera itself, and the camera is authentic. We can check the authenticity on the SJCam website by providing the QR code. Now this is the camera. It comes with a waterproof casing as always. Now there are some accessories that come standard with the camera. Let's check what all these are. There's a separate box, a J mount for helmet fixing, handlebar mount, a few other mounts as well. There's a horizontal and vertical mounts, 90-degree mount, etc. Now there's a curve mount and a flat mount for fixing it on the helmet. Now there is an extra back cover casing for the waterproof case. We get two SJCam stickers as well as a quick start guide. Now regarding the camera, I will say it's a pretty good camera for the budget. It actually can be used as a GoPro as well as a dash cam, so you will get a 2-in-1 cam for about 6000 rupees. There is some cloth for cleaning purposes. We also get two extra 3M double-sided stick tape, two straps, and a micro USB cable for transferring and charge. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.